All right, welcome back, everyone. Live look outside right now in Central Texas. We're seeing very little of any rain around the area, but considerable cloud cover. This is from our Bob Mills Furniture Skylight with a camera in Temple. Roads are in good shape. Everything is looking great this afternoon. Without rain, we saw very warm temperatures. Take a look at this. In the mid to upper 90s, a lot of spots. 91 in Groesbeck for an afternoon high today. Our weather watcher there is Debbie Fulmer in Salado. Tom Breeden reporting 96. Made it up to 97 in Lampasas this afternoon, with our thanks going out to Joe Spivey. Right now, 79 in Hillsboro, 81 in Waco, 80 in Marlin, and in Temple, Colleen's coming in at 81. Lampasas 81. Gatesville's at 81. 78 degrees over on I-45 at both Fairfield and down at Centerville right now. Under cloudy sky, a little bit of rain trying to sneak its way in from East Texas now. Some of the outer periphery feeder bands of the storm pushing their way around that circulation. We're going to go 74 degrees for an overnight low tonight. Look for our rain chances to really increase tonight, particularly after about 1 o'clock or so in the morning. We'll go 50% chances of showers with east winds, 10 to 15 miles an hour, increasing 15 to 20 with gusts to 30 miles an hour on Saturday. Cloudy skies, 80% chances of rain, and this is going to be some very windy rain. High temperature probably not much more than 85 degrees tomorrow. Another look at our hurricane, Category 4. It's a big storm sitting down on the Gulf Coast right now. The eye coming on shore just to the north of Corpus Christi in the past half hour or so. It's pushing its way inland right now. Got to slow down a little bit. Very likely it's going to stall out as it interacts with the stalled out frontal boundary that's back to the north of us as well. And then it looks like it's going to just kind of hang around there just to the south of San Antonio for a while. If it does, it's going to cause some very, very heavy rains. So we start looking at this band of feeder rain coming in through Houston, and we just talked about how easily Houston floods. This moisture starts wrapping around, and by Sunday morning, it is moving well into central Texas. I think areas out to the west of I-35 here in our immediate area don't have to worry too terribly much, but everything from I-35 to the east and particularly down to the southeast towards the Brazos Valley need to brace for very strong gusty winds and periods of some very, very heavy rain beginning later tonight and take you through Sunday. Here's our Channel 6 7-day forecast where your weekend's always in view. And a reminder, you can track this storm even throughout the evening into the day tomorrow by going to your app store and picking up the Channel 6 app. The KCEN.com page is available there, and you can track it as well there. 80% chances of rain and heavy rain. We've already had a couple of small hurricane-produced tornadoes spawned earlier this afternoon and this evening back along the coastal plain in Matagorda and Wharton counties around Bay City and El Campo. Watching for more of that kind of activity, particularly in the nighttime hours tonight and through the day tomorrow. I've got kin folks down there. My little sister is at a shelter. She's checked in and she's safe. Older sister left the Corpus about a year ago, and they're up in Granbury. They're fine. It's a serious storm, and I don't want anyone to take it lightly by any stretch of the imagination. This is one of the worst that we've had. This is comparable to Hurricane Carla back in the early 60s.
Wow. We're glad to hear that they're safe, and hopefully everybody can get to safe areas down there.
Amen.
Thank you, Andy.